Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a wig review. I've not done one of these in absolutely ages, and I've got the wig on right now because I wanted to show you guys in the intro. Look how bouncy the curls are. It's so pretty. So this is a 24-inch body wave 100% human hair wig. So it's from a company called Aligrace Hair. So this is the first time actually trying from this brand, and I'm telling you guys, it's not gonna be the last because I'm really in love with this wig. I'm gonna show you guys how I installed it because it was so quick for me to install. I didn't have to bleach no knots, I didn't have to pluck no lace. I literally just cut and stick. So you guys are gonna watch me do that. This is their packaging. I just got this today, so I'm literally gonna do this in real time to show you guys how easy it looks. Always love wigs that come with this band here. It just makes your wig feel so tight and secure, especially if you are rocking it glueless. It's really not gonna come off with this band here. I want to show you the hairline. The hairs here are like baby hairs, that's why it looks a bit fuller, but the lace is definitely pre-plucked for you, so I don't even have to do too much. And as you guys can see, you don't have to bleach the knots. I'm gonna cut the lace now and basically show you guys how to sort out the baby hairs. So this is the razor that I use to cut the hairline. It just gives me a nice raggedy cut, not like a straight cut like a scissors. This will give you like a nice natural finish. Because the wig was a little bit too big for me on the sides, now there's like room for where my ear can go, and then I could like glue this down here. So I just cut off like this kind of size amount from the side just to make it fit like my head shape, and I'm going to do the same on the other side because as you guys can see, there's no space for my ear. So I just kind of like cut a little bit around. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've basically cut my lace now, and now it's time to glue. So to glue my wigs, I use Ghost Bond. Ghost Bond for me just works really well. It basically keeps my wigs stuck on for like a week straight, and I'm not joking, you guys. So this wig is actually also glueless, so if I did want to, I could just basically dab on a bit of eco styling gel and go about my day. It's very secure, you guys, so I know it's definitely not going anywhere, but for me, I'm just gonna glue it because I prefer to just glue my wigs. So guys, the wig now needs to dry, so I leave this band on for an hour. And I know that sounds crazy, but it literally needs to melt, and the way that it's going to do that is by basically locking it in the band for as long as you can. You don't have to keep it on for an hour. I used to do like 30 minutes and it would work fine, but I find that an hour really lets it kind of like marinate and melt into my skin. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm probably just gonna do my makeup, get food and stuff, just wait for it to completely melt, and then I'll be back to sort out the hairline and do my baby hairs. And yeah. Okay, so this band is ready to come off, you guys. Like, it's been more than an hour now. So like, rule of thumb, what I would say in my opinion, because I'm not a professional, is 20 minutes. Like, put your band on for 20 minutes at least, because that's gonna make it melt a lot better. But yeah, so this is what it looks like after an hour. Let me take it off. So you guys can see it is like extremely melted into my skin, and I've not even done any touch-ups. That's the craziest part about this whole thing, you guys. Anyway, so we're gonna do baby hairs now, because I absolutely love baby hairs, and then we're gonna do the part. So I think I'm gonna do the part first, and then I'll do the baby hairs. So I want to do a side part. So I'm gonna use this hot comb that I got from Amazon. You can get these literally anywhere, but I got this one from Amazon. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now is sort out my baby hairs. I find it so much easier to do the baby hairs once the parting is established, because I do my baby hairs differently when I do a middle part, if that makes sense. So for my baby hairs, I use Eco Styling Gel and basically like a wide tooth comb. Hey guys, so obviously now I look a little bit different because I actually just went ahead and did some makeup whilst my edges were laying, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like taking it off. Look how stunning this wig is, you guys. The lace is absolutely like non-existent, and I've not done anything to the waves at all. Like, all I've done is I just sprayed some water, literally just like this, and the curls literally bounce back into place. Like, how amazing. So yeah guys, this is the 24-inch 100% virgin hair from Aligrace Hair, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I will catch you on my next one. Bye.